Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into Bootloader. So, to get started, you will want to turn off the device by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time. And when you get the boot options, from here, select shut down twice. You'll have a vibration that indicates that the phone turned off, and from here we can again hold the same buttons. So power button, volume up, we're gonna hold them instead of pressing them. And this takes us to the bootloader. Now in here, counterintuitively, you're gonna use volume up to navigate down, and volume down will confirm. Yeah, great. I also want to point out that when it comes down to bootloaders, different devices have it like swapped depending on which buttons you need to hold to get into it, which is even better. Android, am I right? Going over the three options that we have access to while pressing only volume up so we can see that arrow move. First one is recovery mode. Now, when navigating to recovery mode, you will be stopped with the Android with no command logo first when you confirm this, and to get past that you just hold power button, and while holding it you're gonna press volume up, and this will get you to the actual recovery mode. Now, second option is a Fastboot mode. This one is a many-less Fastboot mode. There is another one in the recovery mode which actually has options. And lastly we have normal boot, or aka leave this mode and get back to Android, which is what I'm gonna stick with. So to confirm it, I'm gonna press volume down. Now it's going to look like nothing is happening, as you can see, and in a moment, there we go, the device, or screen more precisely, just turns off and starts rebooting the device back into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.